I want to share with you my experience at the Disney park, to which I went with my kids last year in November. The hotel is absolutely beautiful, clean and comfortable. In the park are different hotels. Each one has a particular decoration. The parks are thematics. The one I like the most, Magic Kingdom. There were all the characters of Disney children films. It's beautiful. Other parks are Epcot, Disney Hollywood Studios, Disney Animal Kingdom, and Disney Blizzard Beach. Each park has its now entertainment, roller coaster, horror rides, pools, water roller coaster, and others. Enjoy visit these parks. I had a lot of fun.